scooping the goldfish kind of thing. There's 3 little catchers in here, and then they give all these. Okay, it's nap time around the house. We're going through a heat wave in Dallas, and we're just all tired. Loki has his official nap time right now. Also, you can see like slobber on all this glass. I need to get glass cleaner at Walmart, so I'm gonna do another Walmart run later though. I got an Amazon package. In that package, I got these, which I desperately needed. I don't know why, I'm just now getting this, but they're the iPhone chargers for the 13, but it has a USB end. Because when they did their iPhone 13s, they stopped doing the USB ends, like Apple wouldn't give it to you with your phone. So I had to buy it so I can charge in my car. Gonna take a sip of my ginger ale. That's Micah's. Okay, just gonna fix some things around here. Alexa, play Weekend at Bernie's. I made this coffee and forgot to drink it. Going, and I would like to make a sandwich, but I'm just so tired. Like, I'm crashing lately around 2 and 3 o'clock. I don't know why I'm crashing. I just think it's just all the stress of wanting to come home and finally being home and like my body decompressing. It's finally just, you know. So I'm watching YouTube. I love when they make, this is like a cafe vlog or whatever, and they just make drinks. So I just wanted something on that had no context, if that makes sense. Or like no talking kind of thing. So it's just been we actually started doing this in Florida, by the way. Like, I started watching like these Korean, I think it's Korean, where they just make a bunch of drinks. So super relaxing. And I need to take the vacuum and do all of that stuff. I'm not a fan of their vacuum cleaner that they have here. So yeah, that's not good. I'm drying out my flowers. I tried a trick that I saw on TikTok and it did not work for me. The trick was sugar, a splash of bleach, and like ice cubes, and these flowers did not like it. I should have just stuck to putting a penny in the water and like calling it a day. So there's that. And yeah, I've been kind of like laying in bed and just like chilling out. It's Sunday, so I haven't really been doing too much, but I am gonna lay there and I'm honestly gonna take a nap. I'm not a nap person, but I have to because I'm just so tired. I'm just not gonna function properly. So on this TV, I'm actually going to watch a sticker collection video or like an organization video, because I've really been into watching those lately because I know exactly how I want to organize my stickers now. Of course, I don't have my stickers with me. They're in the pod. But as soon as we're out of this temporary Airbnb, it's going to be like one of the first things I'm going to want to organize. So yeah, it looks like she's going to share her whole collection. If I remember, I'll link this video down below in case you guys want to watch it fully. I have no idea who this is. I just like found it in the recommendations list. So, anyways, Micah's in her room. She's playing a video game. So I'm gonna go ahead and go to sleep so that I can be kind of on Loki's sleep schedule. honest to God, do not